Talk and Beyond for the week ending November 29th, 2024. And this week's topic, a journey through technology from 1940 to 2024 and beyond. From radio waves to quantum realms. I was born in 1940, and I've seen an extraordinary era of technological evolution. From the early days of simple machines to today's complex artificial intelligence. As I look back over these 84 years, I'll explore the most groundbreaking innovations and take an educated guess into what the next 84 years might hold. 1940 to 1950s, the dawn of computing and consumer electronics. In the 1940s, the very concept of computing was in its infancy. Computers like the ENIAC were the size of entire rooms and could only perform basic calculations. By the 1950s, the transistor's invention transformed electronics, leading to smaller, faster devices and paving the way for the modern computer. Radio and television became household staples, bringing information and entertainment into living rooms nationwide. 1960s to 1970s, space exploration and the rise of the personal computer. The 1960s saw one of the greatest human achievements, the moon landing. NASA's Apollo program showcased advanced technology and established the United States as a leader in space exploration. On the ground, computing continued to evolve. The 1970s introduced the first personal computer, like the Apple I and II, which were small enough and affordable enough for individuals and businesses to own. 1980s, the digital revolution takes off. The 1980s brought computers and video games into more homes than ever. The IBM PC standardized home computing and gaming consoles, such as the Atari and Nintendo Entertainment System, became wildly popular. The launch of the Macintosh in 1984 redefined computer interfaces, introducing a graphic-based operating system that made computers more accessible. The world was also introduced to mobile communications through the first cellular phones, though they were bulky and expensive. 1990s, the Internet and the Information Age. The Internet era dawned in the 1990s, fundamentally transforming communications, commerce, and daily life. The World Wide Web connected people globally, leading to the rise of email, online shopping, and social media. The introduction of search engines like Google changed how I accessed information, while mobile phones continued to evolve, becoming more compact and efficient. 2000s, mobile technology and social media boom. The early 2000s witnessed a technological leap with mobile phones transforming into full-fledged personal devices, thanks to innovations like the BlackBerry and the groundbreaking iPhone in 2007. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube became dominant forms of communication and entertainment, connecting billions worldwide. Meanwhile, digital storage shifted from physical hard drives to the cloud, making data more accessible and secure. 2010s, the age of artificial intelligence and big data. The 2010s introduced us to artificial intelligence in everyday applications. AI-powered assistants like Siri and Alexa became commonplace, while big data enabled everything from personalized marketing to more advanced scientific research. Technologies such as blockchain and cryptocurrencies also emerged, promising new financial ecosystems. Wearable tech like fitness trackers and smartwatches allowed people to monitor their health and fitness in unprecedented detail. 2020s, a world shaped by automation, virtual reality, and biotech. Now, in the 2020s, AI has advanced into complex language models and image generators. Quantum computing, once a theoretical concept, is gradually becoming feasible, promising to solve problems beyond the scope of classical computers. Biotechnologies are also advancing rapidly, with CRISPR and gene editing technologies leading to potential breakthroughs in curing genetic diseases. Meanwhile, virtual and augmented reality are opening new doors for education, training, and entertainment. Looking forward, the next 84 years of technological possibilities, 2030s to 2040s, advanced AI, quantum computing, and space expansion. In the next few decades, we'll likely see AI reach levels of sophistication far beyond today's capabilities, with general AI machine capable of human-like reasoning becoming a reality. Quantum computing may solve previously unsolved scientific challenges, unlocking new knowledge in fields such as climate science, medicine, and physics. Humanity may also establish a permanent presence on the moon and begin ambitious projects to terraform Mars or other celestial bodies. 2050s to 2060s. Personalized medicine, smart cities, and emergency innovations. Personalized medicine will revolutionize healthcare, tailoring treatments to each person's genetic profile. Disease detection and prevention could become routine, extending human lifespans significantly. Our cities may become smart cities, where infrastructure, transportation, and energy systems are managed by AI, increasing efficiency and sustainability. Nuclear fusion and alternative energy sources might replace fossil fuels entirely, addressing climate change and powering a cleaner world. 2070s to 2080s. Biodigital interfaces, global unity, and exploring beyond. By the late 21st century, biodigital interfaces may allow humans to directly connect their brains with computers, revolutionizing communication, education, and creativity. The merging of biology and technology could enable superhuman abilities, both mentally and physically. Climate recovery efforts may restore much of the planet, while global cooperation could tackle shared challenges. Humanity's quest for knowledge might lead us to explore exoplanets, using advanced propulsion technology for interstellar travel. A technological legacy. Reflecting on the journey from the 1940s to today, the future looks like an equally thrilling adventure. We stand on the shoulders of those early inventions that brought the computer into existence, launched humanity into space, and connected the world through the internet. The next 84 years will bring challenges, but history shows us that innovation and resilience will shape an ever more remarkable world. Conclusion: the ever-changing horizon. As technology races forward, each invention is another chapter in our shared story of progress. From those bulky early computers to AI algorithms creating art, technology's journey mirrors humanity's desire to connect, explore, and understand. Stay safe, stay secure, and thanks for joining me on this journey of looking back at the past and taking a glimpse into the future. Here's to the next chapter, a future where the impossible becomes reality, just as it has in my lifetime. I'll see you again soon. You'll find the video used in today's Tech Talk at the link listed. Did you know? The sound we make when we sneeze isn't universal, but culturally conditioned. A person in the United States might make a achoo sound when they sneeze, while a person in the Philippines might say ha-ching. People who have been deaf since birth don't add any extra sound at all, leaving only the sounds associated with the movement of air a sneeze represents. If you're 35 years old, you've already spent about 12 years of your life sleeping. There are more atoms in a glass of water than glasses of water in all the oceans on Earth. Just thought you might like to know. Leadership consists of picking good men and helping them do their best. Thanks to Chester W. Nimitz. And that's a wrap for this week's Tech Talk and Beyond. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.